Hey you guys, it's LC. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are returning. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me today to go get my retwist done. This is obviously post retwist, but I did film some of the process for you guys. I wanted to include you guys in the video so that you guys can know what that process was like. All right, I'm at my Loctician appointment and I'm so excited. Back here in a year, you guys, and that's just because I've been trying to self-maintain. I've been trying to self-maintain my wallet as well. It has been rough, but I am so excited to be here. I was speaking with someone who had been locked for years and years and years, and I asked him what was one of his biggest lessons during his lock journey, and he said not having too many different hands in your head, not trying to try out too many different locticians, finding the ones that really know what they're doing and sticking with them. So that's why I came back to her, because I trusted her and I know that she knows what she's doing. So I definitely recommend that you guys do the same. I'm getting my locks retwisted, and I decided to treat myself to a deep conditioning treatment since I told y'all my hair has been kind of dry. So I'm here with her. She's working it out, and she actually makes her own deep conditioner. So do you want to let them know a little bit more?
So in this magic bullet here, I have an avocado and olive oil deep conditioning treatment. I make it fresh. So just in this little blender container, you see that I've just made it. What I love about avocado is it's filled with oil, and the oil is so good for our hair.
Yeah.
So good for our hair. Our afro kinky hair, this is what we need for hydration, for moisture, and just to get our natural juices just flowing and going. So here's the treatment, and I'm getting ready to apply.
And I will show you guys what my hair is looking like once she puts it on. So I will be back. Okay, Bray, so I have a question coming from a professional loctician. It's constantly something that people are mentioning either on my channel or on other channels. How do you feel about people putting conditioner on their locks? What are your thoughts?
So I think conditioner is something we need for our hair. Okay. So what happens when we're shampooing our hair is we're stripping away a lot of our oils. And what happens at that particular point when we're just rinsing and scrubbing is some of the things that we need for our hair for that shine and that moisture that we need is stripped away. And so we have to kind of put it back in some kind of way. Mm-hmm. So the conditioner is what allows us to restore its condition in terms of moisture. So I love conditioner. I don't mind conditioner. I think it's essential for the lock journey, or anybody with natural hair, loose hair. I believe conditioner is extremely important. Now I know some people say like, okay, well, there's a lot of buildup. There's buildup. If you're rinsing the conditioner out right, you shouldn't have any buildup.
I agree.
You should not have any buildup at all. So I would say conditioner is definitely needed. It's safe. There's nothing wrong with it. And I think a lot of times why folks walking around with super dry locks is because they don't condition their hair. They don't oil their hair. They don't moisturize their hair. We need that though.
I agree.
We absolutely need it.
Thank you for sharing. We appreciate that.
No problem. I haven't even gotten to the scrub part.
Really?
I'm like,
this feels amazing.
This is just the application. I have not even started the scrubbing.
Man, you can tell I've been needing some hands in my head.
So I am just finishing up the application of the deep conditioning treatment and the scalp scrub. And now I'm getting to my client's favorite part, which is the actual scrubbing / scalp massage.
Yeah.
When I tell you this feels like everything,
it really does.
I'm telling you, I wish I could probably get this treatment done on myself.
I'm like, it really does, you guys.
Every single day. But it is, it's so relaxing. It feels really, really good. And I don't really know why it feels so much better for someone else to be in your head.
I don't know what it is either.
Versus you being in your head, but it's magical.
Man, you guys, I literally wish that y'all could be here right now, because this is what you need in your life. Absolutely. This is what you need. It feels amazing. The conditioner feels good. The scalp scrub feels good. It's a win.
retwist cream that I'll be using to retwist today. Filled with all the essential oils and goodies that I love. It's all in one jar.
As you guys know, I love to go to my Loctician at least once or twice a year because I feel like it helps me keep my parts together. I feel like it's good to have someone professional check up on my hair and let me know things that I could be doing better or things I might not be doing so well at. So that's why I like to go into a Loctician at least once or twice a year. It's really for the knowledge, the information, and just to give my hair a little bit of a touch up and a treatment. Doesn't have to be all the time, but once or twice a year that can check in on your hair, let you know things are going well, things that you might want to fix, give you some nice leave-in and treatment, and keep your parts together. So that has really worked for me, and that's something I'm definitely going to keep up. I probably will go back later this year, but oh, my earring gets stuck on my ear. Y'all see this? Sorry. Yeah, but I might go back later this year to go see her again just to do some more maintenance on my locks. But I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. You guys can see that there was such a big transformation between me going in and what my hair was looking like versus now. Like, y'all, so needed. And honestly, anytime that I give myself a retwist, I never get my parts this clean. Like, it's never this clean. And I think that's probably because she uses a comb as well to kind of help really get all those fine hairs and really get them all together. But yeah, she has me looking right. She has me feeling good. But I love it. I enjoyed the experience. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. Thank you again to everyone that has wished me a happy 1 year on my Lockiversary. Thank you so much. More content to come on this channel very soon, so please make sure that you are subscribed. Either way, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming for you soon. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.